Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your iOS 7 device has at least 20% charge and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Once done, open settings and confirm date and time are correct and that your Apple ID is signed in under iCloud and App Store. This often fixes authentication errors. Restart the device next. You want a clean state. If the App Store icon was stuck or showing a spinner, note any error messages because they guide the next steps. You'll now refresh account and network layers that commonly break the store. First, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings Store, then sign back in to refresh credentials. This re-authenticates purchases and updates. Next, reset network settings under Settings General to clear stale DNS or proxy entries. This forces fresh DHCP and can resolve failed downloads. Additionally, toggle airplane mode off and on, and if possible, test a different Wi-Fi network to rule out router or ISP blocking. You finish by applying system and app fixes. Install any available iOS 7 update via Settings General Software Update because system bugs often break the App Store. If an app download is stuck, delete the partial app and reinstall from the App Store or sync via iTunes on a computer. That clears corrupted caches. Make sure to restart after updates. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, sign into Apple support with your device serial number so they can check account, purchase.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.